Hello and welcome to video number 1 for William Steinbrink of the Capstone class. This is regarding the front-end architecture, authentication, and the app diagram. App diagram: the user navigates to the app. Dashboard is protected. The user must log in or create an account in order to view the dashboard and access the functionality such as deposit or withdraw. The user, if the user has an account, they can log in. All users are issued a token with JSON Web Tokens that is sent to the database. Their credentials are verified against what's in the database, and they can then be logged in, or they create an account where a token is assigned. Default is good for 30 days, and then they are directed to the user homepage where, again, they can access all of their information. Front-end architecture, I decided to try and keep it simple as possible. You begin, everything is routed through the app.js. Customer is then brought to, or the user is then brought to either the login or the register page, whichever is applicable. If they're an existing user, they can log in. If they need to create an account, they're able to do so there. All of the remaining functionality is accessed through the dashboard page. Both the deposit and the withdrawal form are accessible through the dashboard and do not require navigating to other pages. Authentication, I use JSON Web Tokens with the email and password as the credentials to log in. The biggest challenge was passing the token back and forth between the front and back end, and then eventually splitting it and passing the header of with bearer authorization. That took me a little while to figure out how to do and how to pass it properly, and so that it was actually recognized as the token for the project.